Welcome to Finding the Voices. I'm Monica Ingadam. Right now I am in Imphal and I have been surprised by two of my wonderful listeners, Mr. Nasir Ahmed and Mr. Nasir Khan. Thank you so much for dropping by today.
This is a great opportunity that a person who is living, who is just we dream that now we can see her in real life. This is just really wonderful, and network has brought us that proximity into reality. And I'm very thankful that Madam is waiting for us and we could meet her at appropriate time. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you.
Okay, in fact, it's a great pleasure for me to meet Monica here at our own residence, and it's a great job that she is doing in her podcast, Finding the Voice, and every now and then giving us lots of information for different circles, and it is the social networking that brings us together and link us up globally. It's such a huge sign of development even here in rural areas, Manipur also. Indeed, Monica has invested lots of time taking up different issues related to even different parts of the world. So we, as a representative of Manipuri Muslim Online Forum and as a representative of Muslim community here in Manipur, salute her from the core of our heart. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I really welcome. I would love to have all the communities involved and be a part of the family of Finding the Voices. Please keep tuning in. Let us know of any guest speaker, from your own community. We welcome. I believe that if we share our story, we will be connected.
Yes, that's right.
And it's about inspiration, empowering, education, and of course entertaining.
The entertaining that brings us the value, then whatever it is, that is good.
Right. I mean, in all this midst of bomb blasts and issues, we need to smile.
The least charity, which I used to say, smile is the least charity one can do.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
So I want to give you a t-shirt of Finding the Voices.
That is nice.
I hope you will wear it, and I hope this will be your size.
Thank you. It's really nice.
Nice?
The inscription, the Finding the Voice.
Yeah, I thought about it a lot, and then you see this globe. It means a lot because I wanted our voice to reach in all the corners of the world. So this is thank you so much.
Through this medium, this Finding the Voice, even the people in the USA and in Europe country, they will be knowing where Manipur is.
Yes, and recently we had a picture of contest, and I invited people who are guests who have never heard about Manipur and who have never seen about Manipur, just to give them a glimpse of Manipur. So it's a small effort, but it's like fun, right? Then they look at the picture and they're like, oh wow, where is this? And oh, what kind of dress is this? So I mean, it's not about like taking the best picture. I really encourage interaction. Ako interact